What's up, guys? Today, we're going to clean for you these pair of Lundmarks. These are my friends here. She asked me to clean them for her. And here you go. Look at the bottoms. They're pretty dirty. We're going to take care of those right now. Let's go. All right, first thing, add a little bit of the shoe cleaner to the brush, dip it in the water, and get to scrub it on that midsole. Scrub it nice and well. Do all around the perimeter before you hit the bottoms. All right, on the bottom, make sure you scrub really well, especially in that exposed boost area. You want to get that nice and white. And now to clean the primed upper, we're going to use our smooth hydro sponge. Just get it wet, add some of the shoe cleaner, give it a few squeezes to activate the suds, and you're ready to start scrubbing. As you're scrubbing, all the dirt and grime will start lifting away from the shoe, so go ahead and clean it all the way around, and once you're done, wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. All right, now we'll hit it with a couple of sprays of our freshener. And then now with our shoe shield, get all the way around. This will weatherproof your shoe and keep it protected from all the elements. All right, well, here it is. Here are Yeezy 350 Lundmarks. Got them all cleaned up. Check out the before and after on the bottoms. These ones looking really nice.